The age-old secret that the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know. Have you ever heard of an oil capable of relieving pain, reducing inflammation, and even improving your immunity? What if I told you that this natural remedy comes straight from the heart of the Amazon and can replace many pharmacy products? Imagine a single ingredient capable of helping in the treatment of respiratory, digestive, joint problems, and even skin health. That sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But what if I tell you that there are scientific studies proving these benefits? Today, you will find out all about COPAIBA oil, a true natural elixir that can transform your health. Stay until the end, because you will learn how to use this oil in the right way and avoid mistakes that can compromise your results. Let's get started. COPAIBA oil, the Amazon treasure that can transform your health. Directly from the Amazon rainforest, COPAIBA oil is extracted from the resin of a tree that can live for centuries. Indigenous peoples have been using this oil for generations to treat infections, relieve pain, and strengthen the body. But what makes this oil so special? It contains a high concentration of compounds called sesquiterpenes and diterpenes, which have anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties. Unlike many synthetic products, COPAIBA oil is 100% natural and acts directly on the cause of the problem, not just the symptoms. Its use goes far beyond traditional medicine, being used even in the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry. But the most impressive thing is that modern science has confirmed what ancestral peoples already knew. COPAIBA oil really does have the power to promote health in a natural and effective way. Now that you know where this powerful ingredient comes from, the big question is, how can it act on your body and what real benefits can it bring? The answer may surprise you. What does science say about COPAIBA oil and why is it so powerful? Many people are wary of natural remedies, but when science proves their effects, it's impossible to ignore. COPAIBA oil has been the subject of several scientific studies, and the results are impressive. Research shows that it has one of the most potent, natural, anti-inflammatory effects ever recorded, comparable to synthetic drugs used to treat pain and inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlighted that COPAIBA oil has a strong action against chronic inflammation and can be a natural alternative to treat arthritis and muscle problems. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties help fight bacteria and fungi, making it useful for treating skin infections, wounds, and even respiratory problems. Another study conducted by the Federal University of Pará revealed that COPAIBA oil can aid in cell regeneration, accelerating healing and promoting skin health. But the benefits don't stop there. Some research indicates that COPAIBA oil can act to protect the liver, digestive health, and even emotional balance, being a great ally for those who suffer from stress and anxiety. But can it actually help cure diseases? Can COPAIBA oil cure diseases? What the studies reveal. Many natural remedies are known to relieve symptoms, but can COPAIBA oil really help in treating diseases? The answer lies in its unique composition, rich in substances that fight inflammation, infections, and even chronic pain. Studies suggest that it may be useful in treating arthritis, fibromyalgia, and inflammatory bowel diseases due to its potent anti-inflammatory action. Researchers at the University of São Paulo analyzed its action against infections and found that it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, being effective against microorganisms that cause respiratory and urinary problems. In addition, there are indications that COPAIBA oil can protect the liver, reducing damage caused by toxic substances such as medications and alcohol. Its ability to regenerate cells has also caught the attention of scientists who are investigating its use in wounds and internal injuries. But a word of caution. Despite its impressive benefits, COPAIBA oil is not a substitute for medical treatments and should be used as a natural supplement. Its effects are powerful, but does your body really need this oil? Does your body need COPAIBA oil? Discover the signs. How do you know if COPAIBA oil can be an ally in your health? If you suffer from chronic pain, constant inflammation, digestive problems, or even recurring infections, your body may be asking for help. Inflammation is the root of many diseases, and COPAIBA oil is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories. If you experience joint pain, have arthritis, fibromyalgia, or muscle problems, This oil can be an excellent support to relieve discomfort. Digestive problems such as reflux, gastritis, and ulcers can also benefit from the soothing and protective effect of COPAIBA oil. In addition, it can help those who suffer from sinusitis, bronchitis, and respiratory problems, as it has expectorant and antimicrobial action. Another sign that your body may need COPAIBA oil is hair loss and skin problems. People with acne, blemishes, and even psoriasis report improvements after using this oil topically. If you identified with any of these signs, it may be time to include this Amazonian treasure in your routine. But be careful. Are you using COPAIBA oil in the right way? Are you using COPAIBA oil in the right way, or making a serious mistake? COPAIBA oil can be a great health ally, but its incorrect use can compromise the benefits and even cause unwanted effects. Many people believe that it is enough to ingest the pure oil or apply it directly to the skin, but this can be a mistake. The correct form of use depends on the purpose. If it is for muscle and joint pain, the ideal is to mix it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, and massage the affected area. For respiratory problems, an excellent option is steam inhalation, adding a few drops of the oil to hot water. If the goal is to improve digestion or fight internal inflammation, the oil can be consumed orally, but always in controlled quantities. Generally, the recommendation is 1 to 3 drops diluted in a glass of water or a spoonful of coconut oil. Excess can overload the liver, so it is essential to respect the recommended dosage. Another common mistake is to buy low-quality oils mixed with other substances. To ensure the benefits, always choose a 100% pure and certified COPAIBA oil. Now that you know how to use it correctly, how about finding out how this oil can transform your digestive system? The anti-inflammatory power of COPAIBA oil, natural relief for pain, gastritis, and ulcers. If you suffer from constant pain, stomach inflammation, or digestive discomfort, COPAIBA oil may be what you need. Its natural anti-inflammatory effect acts directly on the cause of the problem, reducing irritation in the digestive tract and helping in the healing of internal injuries. Studies show that it can be effective in treating gastritis, reflux, and ulcers, as it protects the gastric mucosa and reduces stomach acidity. But how to use it for these benefits? The ideal is to take 1 to 2 drops diluted in a glass of water or a teaspoon of olive oil. This consumption can help relieve burning, reduce inflammation, and even prevent new stomach injuries. In addition, its natural analgesic effect can ease intestinal pain caused by colitis and inflammation in the intestine. However, its use must be controlled. Do not exceed 3 drops a day, and always consult a health professional before starting any treatment. If you suffer from these problems, this can be a natural alternative to improve your quality of life. But the benefits of COPAIBA oil don't stop there. Did you know that it can also help fight kidney stones? The natural secret against kidney stones, how COPAIBA oil can help you. If you've ever experienced severe pain caused by kidney stones, you know how debilitating this problem can be. COPAIBA oil can be a powerful ally in preventing and relieving this problem, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties. Studies indicate that it helps reduce inflammation in the urinary tract, facilitating the elimination of toxins and preventing the accumulation of crystals that form kidney stones. In addition, its antimicrobial action can prevent urinary tract infections, which often accompany kidney stones. But how to use it correctly to get these benefits? The best way is to combine COPAIBA oil with plenty of hydration. Taking a diluted drop in a glass of warm water in the morning can help stimulate the kidneys and promote the elimination of waste. Another alternative is the tea from the COPAIBA leaves, which also has a diuretic action and can help in the dissolution of the stones. But be careful. If you already have a large kidney stone, don't try to solve the problem yourself. COPAIBA oil can be an excellent supplement, but in more severe cases, medical follow-up is essential. Now, if you're looking for a natural secret to healthier, rejuvenated skin, you need to know the effects of COPAIBA oil on your skin. Blemish-free, acne-free, and rejuvenated skin. The miracle of COPAIBA oil. Have you ever imagined a single natural product capable of fighting acne, reducing blemishes, and even rejuvenating the skin? COPAIBA oil is a powerful ally for skin health, thanks to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties. Studies show that it can be effective in fighting acne as it reduces skin oiliness and eliminates bacteria that cause inflammation. In addition, its antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, preventing premature aging and wrinkles. But how to use it correctly? If your goal is to treat acne, it's best to mix 2 to 3 drops of COPAIBA oil in a carrier oil, such as jojoba or rosehip oil, and apply it to clean skin before bed. For lightening blemishes, it can be combined with rosehip oil and used regularly to even out skin tone. If you want a rejuvenating effect, add a few drops of COPAIBA oil to your facial or body moisturizer. But be careful, do not apply the pure oil directly to the skin, as it is highly concentrated and can cause irritation. Now that you know how to take care of your skin with this natural treasure, how about finding out how it can help with muscle and joint pain? Back, joint, or muscle pain? It can save you. If you suffer from back, joint, or muscle pain, COPAIBA oil can be a real natural relief. Its anti-inflammatory power has already been compared to that of traditional medications, helping to reduce swelling and relieve pain without the side effects of synthetic anti-inflammatories. Studies show that it can be useful for treating arthritis, osteoarthritis, fibromyalgia, and chronic muscle pain. Its analgesic effect acts directly on pain receptors, providing immediate relief. But what is the best way to use COPAIBA oil for pain? For muscle and joint pain, the ideal is to massage with diluted COPAIBA oil. Mix 5 drops of the oil in a tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil and apply it to the painful area, massaging gently. If the pain is intense, the application can be done twice a day to enhance the effects. Another option is to add a few drops of the oil to a warm bath, allowing the muscles to relax and the pain to be relieved naturally. If you suffer from frequent pain, this can be an effective alternative to improve your quality of life. But the benefits of COPAIBA oil don't stop there. Did you know that it can be a great ally in the treatment of respiratory problems? If you have respiratory problems, you need to know this natural solution. Breathing hard, dealing with a persistent cough, or feeling congested in your chest can be extremely uncomfortable. COPAIBA oil has been used as a powerful natural expectorant, helping to clear the airways and eliminate excess mucus. Studies indicate that it may be effective in treating bronchitis, sinusitis, asthma, and colds, as its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling of the airways. In addition, its antimicrobial effect fights bacteria and viruses that may be causing lung infections and allergic crises. But how to use it correctly to get these benefits? One of the best ways is steam inhalation. Add 5 drops of COPAIBA oil to a container of hot water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam for about 10 minutes. This helps loosen mucus, relieve coughing, and de-inflame the airways. Another alternative is to use the oil in a room diffuser, allowing its properties to be inhaled throughout the day. If you suffer from frequent breathing problems, including this method in your routine can make all the difference. But what if your problem is stress, anxiety, and sleepless nights? COPAIBA oil can also help with this. Stress, anxiety, and sleepless nights? COPAIBA oil may be the solution. The fast pace of modern life has led many people to face stress, anxiety, and difficulty sleeping. If you feel that your mind is always agitated or you have constant insomnia, COPAIBA oil can be a great ally to restore emotional balance. Studies show that it has calming and relaxing effects, as it acts directly on the central nervous system, reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It also stimulates the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that help improve mood and promote feelings of well-being. But how to use it to achieve these benefits? One of the most effective ways is through aromatherapy. Add 5 to 6 drops of COPAIBA oil to a room diffuser before bed. The soft, woody scent helps relax the mind, inducing a deeper, more restful sleep. Another option is to massage the temples and back of the neck with a mixture of COPAIBA oil and almond or coconut oil. This helps relieve muscle tension and promotes immediate relaxation. If you're looking for a natural way to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, this may be the ideal solution. But COPAIBA oil also hides a valuable secret for women's intimate health. Is COPAIBA oil the secret that women use for intimate health? Many women suffer in silence from problems such as urinary infections, candidiasis, vaginitis, and even menstrual cramps. What few people know is that COPAIBA oil can be a great ally of women's intimate health. Thanks to its antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties, it can help soothe irritations, fight infections, and even balance vaginal pH. Studies suggest that it has a powerful action against bacteria and fungi, being a natural complement for those who suffer from recurrent infections. But how to use it correctly? One of the best ways is through the sitz bath. Add 2 to 3 drops of COPAIBA oil to a basin of warm water and sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This can help reduce inflammation, relieve itching, and speed up the recovery of minor injuries in the intimate area. For menstrual cramp relief, a gentle lower belly massage with diluted COPAIBA oil can provide relaxation and comfort. But beware, the oil should not be applied directly to the intimate area, as it can cause irritation. If you are looking for a natural alternative to take care of your intimate health, this can be an excellent option. Now that you know all these benefits, how to include COPAIBA oil in your routine in the right way. How to use COPAIBA oil to get all its benefits without mistakes. Now that you know the incredible benefits of COPAIBA oil, it's time to learn how to use it correctly to avoid mistakes and make the most of its potential. The oil can be used in 3 main ways: topical use, inhalation, and oral consumption. For muscle pain, joint pain, or skin problems, it should be diluted in a carrier oil before application. Mix 5 drops of COPAIBA oil with a tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil and massage the affected area. If your goal is to improve breathing or reduce stress, the best option is steam inhalation. Add 5 drops to a container of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for 10 minutes. For those who want internal benefits, such as gastritis relief or anti-inflammatory action, 1 to 3 drops diluted in a glass of water or a tablespoon of olive oil can be ingested. But be careful, don't overdo it. Excessive consumption can overload the liver. And always remember to buy 100% pure and quality oil to ensure that you are enjoying all the benefits of this Amazon treasure. Now that you know all this, it's time to take the first step to transform your health. Choose nature and transform your health. Nature offers us true natural remedies, and COPAIBA oil is one of them. In a world where synthetic remedies dominate, knowing that there is a powerful and natural alternative is a true gift. Whether to relieve pain, improve the skin, strengthen the immune system, or reduce stress, this oil can be a great ally. But remember, health is a daily commitment, and small changes can bring big results. If you want to live with more well-being and less medicine, how about starting today to include this treasure of the Amazon in your routine? The knowledge is in your hands. Now, the choice is yours.